Mob, what it do, broski? It's my man, yo, DaveyMcFlyy 2 Wise, man, checking in. About to talk about that fire, bro. This past week, these images hit the net of the J.Balvin Air Jordan 3. You know what I'm saying? With a dope sunset fade on the back. And it's supposed to be representing the sunset in his hometown. We're gonna get into it a little bit deeper. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these joints right off the rip. You know what I mean? Hey, I got the tools. I absolutely wish I had the Air Jordan 1s. Resale price getting a little too far gone on them joints, but honestly, I'm thinking about grabbing another pair of 2s while these are well below retail. These retail for $300, and now you can get them in between 165, like 175 range, up under 200. So, and it's a dope pair of sneaks as well. I can't wait for these. I hope. I'm hoping and praying. That's why I'm making this video, to try to see how y'all feel about the joints, cause I'm hoping these do the same thing that these did, so I can get in the game. But let's not talk about it to death, you know what I mean? Let's get a little bit more into the footage. DJ Khalid spotted them at an event rocking these joints, you know what I'm saying? Showed them love. And Khalid said he had to have them ASAP. Ooh, I feel them too. I had to trim that out real quick. Check this out, y'all. Hey, Khalid got them foes on.
Look at this. J.Balvin, he put his new 3s on. I own Balvin. Them shits is crazy. Yo, Balvin, you got me?
I got you.
No, but I need it now because you got me?
I'm gonna take them out, and then I got you.
Look, you got me?
I got you.
Show me the shoe. Look at this shit. This is funny. Come on, bro. Look at this. Take the time, come back up. We're gonna match the watch. Show the watch. It's meant to be. Yo, it's so beautiful.
Thank you, bro.
No, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, J.Balvin.
Thank you.
This is the first time you won?
First time.
You see the first right here. You see it, Team Jordan. Yeah, I ain't gonna say that yet, but we up to something.
Yes, we are.
What? Hey, so could it possibly be a DJ Khaled and a J.Balvin collab on the way on a Jordan? Bro. Woo. That'll be crazy. That'll actually be hard though. And what silhouette do you think they would pick? And to answer the question, I would like to see Balvin and Khaled collab on the 7. I want to see him turn the 7 up one time for the one time. That's just me. What do y'all think? Y'all think this a hint? Y'all think this a teaser or something that could be possibly coming in the future? And if so, you heard it here first. So make sure you subscribe and notify. And now, let's get into it. Move along, because that man J.Balvin is a man of his word. He a man of his word. He said Khaled had to have him. Khaled out golfing, J.Balvin pulled up on him like a real one. I respect it. I respected it. You know what I'm saying? Balvo pulled up on him like a real one with the mashup Heat jersey, bro. I got the white one, but I want the black so bad.
Hold up. Even if you ain't got the shoes, you just showing up. That's beautiful. No. I was showing you love. I was saying it's like, after the race, I was like, he said he got me, and I know my brother, he's a man of his word. Because when my J's came out, I remember giving you the ones that went in store.
Yeah.
And then I gave you all friends and family. You called me or Cali. You sent them yet? I think you was in Turks and Caicos.
Yes.
I said, call your assistant. You called your assistant. They were at your house. Waiting for you.
Yeah, they were. Well, listen, I want to give you my sample. Like, this is the only ones that I have.
Oh, so you mean they're not even ready yet?
Nah.
But you approved these. These the ones that we gonna...
Yeah, these are the ones. But like, I gave you my word, you know. I gotta be on my word.
Dang, he giving them the sample joints? Ew. Okay, that's too hard. That's too hard. I had been seeing the pictures and I've been seeing the clip of this video pop up, but I haven't sat down and actually watched it until now with y'all. And he giving them the sample joint? Like, that's tough. That's tough. That's tough.
I'm gonna give you mine. I'm gonna be girlfriend. You know what I'm saying?
I respect that.
It's all love, bro.
I respect
Come on,
that.
bro. They're still brand new, man.
No, I
Still
respect
brand
that.
new. You know.
Yo, Balvin, let me tell you something. Yeah. First of all, I love you. I'm a fan of you, and you're my brother. And what you did right here was so much respect and honorable. A lot of people need to learn from this. Because there's a lot of people that
Listen to Khaled, bro.
they're not honorable. They have no respect. You do. This is like, I'm gonna put these in a case. This is forever going down in the grail. Like this is like, it's written. Like you doing this, giving me this while I'm playing golf. Man, I love you, brother.
You know, King, G.
Come on,
You know how it is, and you're not representing Jimmy. You know what I'm saying?
love that. And you got the Miami Heat on too.
Hey.
You coming right today.
No, come on. You know,
Let me
Jimmy's
see
the
what-
man. You know,
I like this. No, I love G-Shot.
I love G-Shot.
No, I love these things.
this is my thing.
You know, me and Balvin, we collect sneakers, we collect watches, and we love. I put you up on the global. I told you about the global. What you got the global what?
6,000.
You got the global 6,000.
Yeah,
Because you had the other jet. What was the other one? I told you. I said no. You gotta go global. Didn't I tell you that, right? Keep it real.
No, man, you said it. Yeah.
I love you, brother. Man.
yeah.
Y'all gotta see the shoes. Look. When these come out, man, y'all go represent and get. It's gonna sell out in one
Call it
second.
Medellin Sunset.
It's called Medellin Sunset.
Yeah, Balvin Sunset. You know, this is the sunset of my city, Medellin.
I'm glad you explained it because you know
Yeah.
I love to just looking at it.
Yeah.
So the story about it is
Yeah,
it's-
I was in Medellin one day. I just took a picture of a beautiful sunset in my city. And you know, my city is so special, man. It's such a safe
Yo,
place.
Balvin, this is my friend Mike.
Oh, Mike.
I got you, Ken, today. I am beating him so
are you?
bad in golf right now.
Ah.
I'm beating him right now. I'm beating him.
Man, I'm
Whoa, what Mike have on though? What his friend Mike have on? He had on some foes that were foeing though. But yeah, all in all,
my word, bro.
this was dope, bro. All in all, this was dope. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on the actual sneaks themselves. When they drop, y'all gonna go for them or y'all gonna sleep on them like the twos, or you know what I'm saying? You think the resale gonna go up there like the ones? Y'all let me know, man. Drop it off in the comment box. Me personally, I'm definitely looking forward to these joints because they super clean in my opinion. And yeah, all my OGs, Yankees, day ones. New members like. Catch y'all on the next video, bro. Peace.